This is called Elk Viewpoint and we are in Alaska. No, I mean we're in Texas. No, I mean we're in Oregon. Yeah, we're in Oregon. We're in Elk Viewpoint. We're looking at bunch of elks and some of them are sitting here. You can see lots of elks are sitting. See?
They are resting, right?
Yeah. And you can see baby elks here. See? And you can see elks, so I think that is cows far away. But there are lots of elks here, as you can see a baby elk.
It's fun to see them all together, right?
Yeah.